Hello my dear English learners, I welcome you all for this 100 days spoken English challenge. Today is day 7. I'm super excited to welcome you all. Why? Because we almost going to complete 1 week of our challenge, right? So I request you to maintain this consistency and same energy, enthusiasm until our last day, especially 100 day. Okay, so without wasting your precious time, let's move on to the video. I had conducted our first live session last Sunday around 8 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. We had almost 1.5 hours live session. So in that live class, you asked me many questions, especially regarding English, your doubt clarification, everything have done completely with a beautiful manner. So after that I realized this, you people had some set of ideas, some set of expectation from my video. So that's why I asked you what kind of videos did you expect in that live session. So you answered me. So after that I realized, okay, what kind of videos you really want. You only know that. You are a English learners. What kind of videos you expect from me? I don't know, right? So that's why I asked that question to you and I got lot of answer, especially beautiful, realistic, useful answer from your side. So I moved to your concern. Hereafter, each and every video you are gonna learn some vocabulary enrichment part as well, some new words, something, some concepts, everything we are going to see about a pragmatic way. Hereafter, I'm not going to teach you something in each and every video. We are gonna learn something together. I'm gonna explain it, that's it. I'm not going to force you to memorize it. Don't do that. Hereafter, just watch my videos regularly without fail. If I teach you any new words in this video, you don't worry to memorize about it. You don't take any steps, okay? Just listen, just watch carefully, observe it. After upcoming videos, I'm gonna repeat the words again and again. So it is going to easy for you to grasp the new words which I'm gonna teach you in every session. You don't need to memorize it. All you need to do is listen carefully, give your attention, observe how am I pronouncing the word, what kind of words I'm using. So today in this video, we are gonna learn about the real English. As per your recommendation, I have taken a notes especially for you. Today I am gonna teach you some beautiful concept which is very essential. We are almost going to use that in our every single day life. So from this video you're gonna learn some new kind of idioms, vocabularies which you use in your daily conversation, daily routines or daily life. So that's the requisite vocabularies that I've taken especially for today's video. So without wasting your precious time, let's move on to the video. You can see today I'm gonna teach you something new which is very simple. I'll add the text, okay? I will add the text so you can see it. Now I'm gonna explain you from this notes only. So what's the topic today we are gonna learn about? Today we are gonna learn about, hey guys, if you heard something noise from my backside, please ignore it. Don't take it as a serious. Just concentrate today's lesson. Today we are gonna discuss about a day in my life. I'm going to describe my day in my life. So from this you are gonna learn advanced vocabularies or some idioms which you are gonna use in your English conversation. You can inculcate it. Okay, let's start. I usually kickstart my day at 5 a.m. What does mean by kickstart? I kickstart my day, which means begin actively. So I begin my day actively, energetically, so enthusiastically. You can say I kickstart my day at 5 a.m. We usually say I wake up at 5 a.m. So instead of saying that, you can use these kind of beautiful phrases and idioms like I kickstart my day at 5 a.m. in the morning, or you can say simply I kickstart my day at 5 a.m. I'm not naturally an early bird. What is meant by an early bird? Which is a beautiful idiom which refers to one who wakes up early in the morning. If you are the person who has the habit of waking up early in the morning, so you can say you are an early bird. I am an early bird. I am not a night owl. So one who wakes up early in the morning, that person should be called as an early bird. I'll give the text as well. You just observe it. Don't need to memorize it because we are gonna learn this English as it is natural way of process. I already explained you. I'm not naturally an early bird, but over a time I have learned to embrace the peace and clarity that morning offers. Yes, guys, we know that when it comes to the part of morning, we have the peace, calmness, serenity, the birds chirping sound. So I really want to embrace that. What is mean by embrace? Embrace means accept it. Want to accept and indulge yourself to enjoy the part of the calmness of the morning. So embrace means accept that. Accept wholeheartedly. So I accept to be an early bird. So that's why I'm just explaining you with these kind of words and idioms. Okay, let's continue. My alarm rings at 4:30 a.m. Yes, guys, usually my alarm rings at 4:30 a.m. but I often tempted to hit the snooze button. We usually do that, right? We usually do that. Hit the snooze button. What is mean by hit the snooze button? Hit the snooze button means we just press, we delay to wake up, right? That is comes under hit the snooze button. You can also use it. I hit the snooze button. But I remind myself that time waits for no one. Let's see. Then after what I do? After freshening up, I go for a brisk walk. That's a really fantastic moment in the early morning which I have been following in my life. Brisk walk is really useful. It creates the calmness, reduce your weight, strengthen your body, and peaceful, mentally, mindfulness, everything you're gonna get once you start a brisk walk in morning times. Just try it. By 7 a.m. I back home grabbing a healthy breakfast. I'm fan of keeping it light, oats, fruit, and sometimes I take porridge or smoothie like that. So while eating, I jot down my to-do list, making sure I prioritize the big task, especially I prioritize the big fish first. We can see here, while eating, I jot down my to-do list. Jot down means write down, taking notes. So while eating, I'm just taking notes and I'm preparing my to-do list. So instead of saying write down, you can say I jot down. When it comes to the part of class also, while you are watching my video, you can also jot down some key points, some important vocabularies that you learned from my video. So for that you can say, instead of saying taking notes, note down, say jot down. Beautiful, right? By noon, I have my lunch at 1 p.m. to recharge my battery. Especially when it comes to the part of around 1 p.m. we feel exhausted, right? So in that time we really want to recharge ourselves. So I really recharge my battery by taking the lunch. Post lunch, I often feel the afternoon slump. I grab a cup of coffee. Afternoon slump means we feel tired, exhausted after having lunch, right? So in that tiredness, we can describe by this beautiful word like afternoon slump. Afternoon slump. So that's why I just grab a cup of coffee. In the evening, I either shoot videos for my YouTube channel or brainstorm new content ideas. Around 9 p.m. I hit the sack. What is mean by hit the sack means go to bed. That is comes under a beautiful idiom. We can say I hit the sack. Let's recap the words we learned from this video. First one is kickstart my day. What is mean by kickstart my day? It is an idiom which means begin a day actively. It not only used for a day, you can use any things. Some action you are going to begin actively means you can say I kickstart this work. You can use that. Next one is hit the snooze button. Delay getting up. You already know it. Recharge my battery means rest and regain the energy. That is comes under recharge my batteries. Regain my energy. And next one is afternoon slump. Afternoon slump means tired feeling after lunch. Slump refers to tired feeling after lunch. We usually have it, right? So that's why we call that afternoon slump. Another one is we have discussed about an early bird. An early bird means one who wakes up early in the morning. You have to maintain that. So these are the advanced phrases which we learn from this video. You can take at least, you can pick few idioms which you like the most. I'm not going to force you memorize all the idioms from the video, whatever the things I taught you. Nothing, I'm not going to do that. You watch this video, right? You know that. Pick very few, one idiom or two idiom which you like the most and just try to inculcate in your daily conversation. Practice it. Implement those words which you have learned today from this video. That's it all about this video, guys. I'll come up with another daily English related vocabulary, some concept, easy and daily English very soon. Till then, you take care. Thank you so much for your wonderful time. Bye bye.